Everyone here is so smart and super friendly as well, so it's really nice to talk to everyone, not just about physics, but about anything else.
It was really fantastic to meet people from many different backgrounds, not just from London, but from all over the world, which was great.
And so I also met a lot of new friends that I was hoping for.
Yeah, I think it's very helpful and friendly environment.
Definitely interacting with people here was one of the best parts.
So I applied to the summer school because I'm very interested in new technologies, especially quantum, which is at the forefront of that right now.
I applied for the summer school because I'm studying physics and computer science, and I figured that this would be a wonderful chance to learn about the intersection of the two fields.
I found it like on the website, on the UCLQ website, and it was like perfect for what I wanted to do this summer, so I applied.
Here you can get into the labs that are used by experimental physicists, which I've never seen or entered before. It's really cool.
That all of the lectures have gone into a lot more detail than I thought they would, which I thought was really important because it allowed me to really understand the mechanics of what's going on.
The lecturers were very friendly, as well as the PhD students. They were happy to answer questions. Overall, it was a great experience.
I found the experiments really interesting to see on a short time scale because we sort of got the highlights of everything that's going on experimentally.
There were a lot of lab sessions, which was absolutely fantastic, and I got to see how different quantum technologies were being applied in different areas, from solid state to photonics.
I had never seen an atom before with my bare eyes, and I just thought that was super cool.
It's clear that there are so many opportunities in this field, wherever you want to be in the world and in whatever part of the field you want to be in. So certainly I'm very excited to pursue a career in this area.
I'm definitely considering it for graduate school or future career options.
It has a great potential. Maybe I should get into this field like around now to make more contributions.
I'll be honest, I haven't really been around London during these past few days. The buildings are pretty, everyone has a nice accent. It's good.
I love London. I've been here for more than 10 years now, and certainly UCL's in the middle, right in the centre of the heartbeat of London, so there's so much to do. So what can I say? London's great, come here.